Oh, look at that, huh?
Hey, you jockey better get it now because look at the line's forming.
Oh boy, I better get it now, huh?
I have a question for you.
Oh, no.
Okay guys, here's tonight's score. 3 boxes of auto match. 2 case drop tonight. Really rare that we get 2 case drops, but yeah, it was crazy. Like 3 or 4 employees came out and bought 22 after me. You saw them walk out there in the video. Yeah, there was like a whole, I've never seen that happen before. It was a flood of them fuckers came piling out. But here's the fag for the tags. 1897 still. 6010 out the door. 519. I got the case, well, one of the 2 cases. This is a auto match case. Here's the freshness tag for you guys. 51015. So these are a little bit older. 9 days. So, well, that's the big haul. Auto match. I don't know. For the price, I can't pass it up from Walmart because, I mean, it's only a matter of time. The prices are going up everywhere on this shit, so I just thought I'd run in there and get the auto match. So, alright, you guys keep hunting that ammo, keep scoring it up, and we'll catch you guys later.